I'm here with Gina Danis, the owner of the Aubrey Center School and Center for Advanced Massage Therapy. And I wanted to chat with you briefly about the Aubrey Center and what makes it unique. Can you say a little bit about that?
Yeah, we're a little bit unique in that I hate to say we put the clients first, because I'm sure many therapists out there do that, but we try to go right to the root cause of the problem. We don't just massage people where they hurt. We try to find exactly what's causing that problem and unwind, basically, all the areas that are contributing to it. So it's longer lasting, it's more immediate relief, and they're not just going to feel good for today.
Okay.
Actually can start to unwind and get rid of problems that have been around for years. And people think there's no solution to it. But there really is. If you can find where the problem's coming from, you can actually get rid of a problem quite quickly.
But can you speak to other attributes of the center that make it stand out from other massage therapy?
Well, we have a lot of training. My therapist, my other therapist and I, we've been studying and learning for years. We never stop learning. We really listen to our clients, try to meet their needs. We don't just assume what they need. Every time they come in, if we have regulars, their needs change. So we have to kind of keep up with that. So they're not having the one-size-fits-all session every time they come in. Depending on that day and what's going on, we cater to them. We design a session around their individual needs every time they come in.
In terms of the different treatment modalities that your therapists are skilled in, can you speak to that a little bit?
Yeah, we're certified in over 30 different modalities, but our mainstay is neuromuscular therapy. Basically, what I said before was looking for the root cause of the problem. The technique is secondary. What we use in that area is basically what the client can tolerate pain-wise. If it's a sensitive area, it needs a gentle touch. But it's actually just knowing where to go, where the problem is, and then we just pull out basically tools out of our toolbox.
So, in terms of the school, like what do you feel is unique about the Aubrey Center School compared to other programs that are available?
Well, I try to transfer what we do to our clients over to the students. I want them to have that same broad range of techniques and skills available to take care of their clients when they graduate. So if they want to approach massage therapy like I do, looking for chronic pain and problems that no one else can fix, they'll have the skills to do it. So whatever we do for our clients, and I basically try to take all my training, all my experience, and transfer it to the students. I've been doing this for 17 years, and I just want to take everything that I saw that worked well, and I know it works, is successful, and just give it to my students so they don't have to stumble and find their way. They'll already know what works and what is effective, so they'll be successful in the field.
And you're a fully licensed massage school?
Yes.
Okay. And your program is over 600 hours?
Yes. In Pennsylvania now, with licensure just taking effect last year, you need a minimum of 600 hours in Pennsylvania to be a licensed massage therapist. We offer a 641-hour program. So they'll meet all the requirements for licensure. So when they graduate, they can sit for the national certification exam, and when they pass that, they're ready to go.
Okay.